Hey there, and welcome to Home Reno Inspiration, where we inspire you to upgrade and fix your own home. Look, I get it. Sometimes you need professionals, but for most stuff, you can probably do it yourself. All you need is a little knowledge and inspiration, and you can do the job right too. As you can see, today we're going to replace my bathroom fan. Why? Why replace the fan? Well, look, older fans are noisy. You probably have a noisy fan just like me. Who wants to use the fan when it sounds like an airplane taking off? Plus, newer fans can push more air. That means that you can remove the humidity or fogginess much faster. Plus, newer fans just look much better. I bought this at Costco for about 70 bucks US. Let's take a few minutes to see what the difference is between my old fan and this new fan. Then I'll show you my install and the steps I took to minimize fan noise. You see my old grate? Now look at my new grate. The air comes in from the side and it looks way better, more modern. My old fan had a single pole switch like this. My new fan has a switch and a timer that I can set, which means that it will automatically turn off after someone switches it on. Perfect, right? Who goes back to the washroom after a big dump to turn off the fan? Like, nobody, right? My new fan also has a humidity sensor. That means that if you, say, jump into the shower and forget to turn on your fan, once the humidity goes up, boom, the fan comes on automatically. Perfect. Now let's look at the diameter of the exhaust pipe. My old fan was like 3 inches. An expander was used to expand the diameter to 4 inches to match the flexible and the fixed pipe sizes that were used to get the air out of my house. My new fan is 4 inches. That means I can maintain 4 inches from this fan to the brick. Perfect. If your home has a 3-inch pipe size, check to make sure that it's 3 inch to the exterior of your house. If so, fine. Then use the reducer that comes with the new fan and expect your fan to be slightly louder. Now, here's the stuff you need to know. A smaller diameter pipe means that the air being pushed through will make more noise. Why? This new fan moves 100 cubic feet of air per minute, or CFM. If we push that air through a smaller pipe, that means the air must travel faster to achieve that 100 CFM rating. Now, technically, that 100 CFM rating is based on a 4-inch diameter pipe. So if we reduce the size of the pipe to 3 inches, we won't be getting 100 CFM anymore. We'll get something less, and the air will be moving faster, which means more noise. Maybe this stuff is obvious to some of you listening, but for others, this might be their epiphany. The 100 CFM rating also assumes a completely straight pipe from the fan to the exterior wall. If it's not, then we're making more noise because we're creating friction by redirecting the air around a bend. Now, hey, I get it. Sometimes you can't make it completely straight. Look at my installation. Yep, there is a bend. I couldn't figure out a way to avoid it without lowering the drywall or moving the fixed pipe between the flexible pipe and the wall or moving this bracer or whatever. Oh well, this installation will be slightly louder. Zone is a measure of that perceived loudness. So my original 4-zone exhaust fan was at least 4 times louder than my new 1-zone fan. Awesome. How about power? My old fan used 180 watts. My new fan, 25 watts. Wow, that's crazy. That's like replacing 2 100-watt light bulbs with 2 LED bulbs. This new fan is way more power efficient. Now, let's listen to the fan. This was before, and this is after. That's it. I hope this helped you with your installation of your bathroom fan. Now I know, I really carved up my ceiling to install my fan, but don't worry. Fixing drywall holes is super easy if you know what to do. I'll post a link here on how I repaired these drywall holes. Thanks for watching.